Hi there, welcome to DHacks. Today, I'll walk you through a very powerful tool in Deswik called Pivot Query. Just like in Excel pivot table, you can easily drag and drop field or attributes from your design and see the pivot table and results, and quickly apply some formatting or conditional formatting. In this example, I have some design files with attributes, which I used a attribute called EBITDA based on a formula here. So in this formula, I use EBITDA as a calculated value based on diluted value and diluted tons and operating cost. So based on that calculation, each scope has assigned attributes of EBITDA. Now, if I select these design shapes, and if I go to Tools, Query, and Pivot, right away it'll ask you to what entities you want to analyze. So in this case, I'll just analyze selected entities. Click OK. And then the pivot table will show here. I'll make this smaller so that we can see. For example, in this case, I want to quickly see how my design shapes look financially. So I want to use level. I don't want to use length, but rather I want to use EBITDA. And I want to see diluted tons. So I'll move this up. So diluted tons EBITDA. I also want to add a field called EBITDA per ton so that I can quickly evaluate the relative value. So I'll add expression called EBITDA per ton. And I'll use an expression. It's called EBITDA. As you type, the attribute will pop up just like Google search suggestions. So EBITDA divided by diluted tons. So then click OK. Click OK. So here you have EBITDA per ton. Now, I don't quite like the formatting, so I'll go to Format. And so for my EBITDA, this is the format I want to display. It's a sum for the level. And the same format will apply to diluted tons. So I'll use 1,000 separators. And EBITDA per ton, this is, I just want to see, it'll be weighted average. So I'm going to weight on diluted tons. So right in here, here's a more powerful formatting tool than in Excel. You can use weighted tons, weighted average. Click OK. Right away, you can see your EBITDA per level. And quickly, you can apply some conditional formatting and say, I want to use a color-coded format. Right away, it'll show you where your highest value is in the design. So that gives you a quick sense of probably where you want to go after first. So in this case, it's this level. And after you are happy with the pivot table setup, you can save it and export it, and later you can import the setup. So right away you'll have the same setup when you change the design. Okay, hopefully you'll find this useful, and if you like the video, please click like or subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos from DHacks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.